Welcome back to the Almost Naked Chef. I'm your host Miranda May, here bringing you fun, creative food ideas that will help make you feel good naked. So today on TIDBIT Tuesday, I am going to give you a fun little tip. Don't mind my decor. It's something that I love having in my home, just for decorations though. So today on TIDBIT Tuesday, I am going to give you a very simple, very fun little tip about how to cut an onion. If you want it to be a nice bite, fit in your mouth kind of thing, then you always have to cut along the lines. So whenever I'm making my famous or infamous, whatever you want to call it, pico de gallo, I always like to, you see, you cut along the rings. So it's all the rings are like this, and then you just cut it in half, and then we have a lot of extra skin. We don't really like extra skin in this kitchen. Isn't that right? And then you just cut along the rings. And then it turns into these perfect little bite-sized onion pieces that fit so perfectly in your mouth and have the best flavor punch per bite. You don't want it to be overbearing. It is onion after all. You do want to kiss your boo later, right? So to recap, cut along the rings, you cut it down where it's makes a perfect ring that you can literally put on your finger, and then you cut that in half, and then you just dice along the lines. You literally follow the lines that fit perfectly in your mouth, perfect for any pico de gallo, or if you want to dice it up for fresh onions for your taco, then certainly do that. Thank you for tuning in to the Almost Naked Chef in my TIDBIT Tuesday. Be sure to tune in next week for another tip of your Tuesday. Tip of the Tuesday.